Hi. So it's the beginning of the year, and I have things that I've been putting on. Let me go get them. These are all of the clothes that I've been meaning to repair. Actually, there's more. Hold on. That's all. Not all of these are mine, but there's a lot. So, I've been putting this off long enough. Let's get to work. Let's start with something easy. These. I love these to death. And I can tell that by how much I've worn them and what I need to repair. Mostly it's a bit of ironing, and then we get over here. Yeah, it's got a hole right here, and this is coming up as well. And yeah, the crotch is fine. This needs tacked down. So let's start with that. And clearly I can't do it alone. I love these. I love these. I love these. I love them so much. I have 2 pairs. And yes, this is my own pattern. I made these, and I will continue to wear and make them because I love them. They're so cute. And they're very, very comfortable. On to the next one. This one is pretty, but I made the waistband too big, so I need to seam up all of this and redo it. Waistband is off, and we just have to regather it and put it back on. And it's done. And it's a new day. This is going to take me a minute. But she's done. All readjusted, resized, and finished. On to the next one. This is my sister's. This one's pretty obvious. Stitch her up. All fixed. These are my sisters, and really easy fix. So let's get to work. Well done. Simple as that. On to the next one. I've been putting these off for a really long time. On the surface, they look fine. But let's look a little closer. And this is right below the zipper, which is why I've been putting these off. We also have fabric degradation there and here. I'm gonna have to get creative with this. All done. This was a long project. This was a very long project that I've been putting off for even longer. And hopefully this will last me a few more years. And with that, the repairs are done. I did have another pair of jeans that I thought about repairing, but honestly the damage is just too much where it's basically scrap fabric. So this was a lot that needed to happen. And it's actually the reason why I made a video, because it's called motivation, and I needed motivation to do these. And if I put myself on a deadline with a video, suddenly it's a lot easier to get things done. And now I have a bunch of pieces that will last me a bit longer, things that'll fit better, things that will go to other people so that they can last even longer. Yes. And I think that's where I'm going to leave this. This is weird talking to a camera.